The nature park.
Come and see. There's a very pretty bird in the garden.
What does it look like?
It's got an orange head and a long beak.
Its wings and tail are black and white.
Is it a rare bird? You should take a photo.
Come quickly and quietly. We shouldn't frighten it.
It is a rare bird. It's beautiful.
Quick, take a photo.
We shouldn't touch it. We should phone the nature park. We should tell them we saw a rare bird in our garden.
What is the nature park?
It's a place for animals, birds, and plants in danger. They can live safely there.
We should go there. We can take the photo with us.
The birds and animals are lucky to live here. Look at all the trees.
What do the birds and animals eat and drink?
They eat fruit and nuts from the trees. They drink water from the lake.
Thank you for bringing us here, Hamad.
Yes, you are clever. Our rare bird will be happy here.